Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the power of to symbol in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make the power of to symbol. Click inside the text box. Then go to the insert menu and select the symbol option. Go to more symbols. Now we can see here, open a symbol window, then we select the font normal text, then write the character code 00B2, and we can see here automatic selected the power of to symbol. Then click insert, then close the window. Now we can see we make the power of to symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.